Hello everyone, hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm going to talk about cost-driven anomalies. So what are those, right? So cost-driven anomaly refers to a variation in the cloud computing costs, which incurs on the computing resources and services provided to run a particular applications within the cloud environment, right? And these anomalies can arise from variety of different factors, including changes in the usage and escalated cost, belongs to the unexpected workloads, which could be working or maybe provisioned, and that is why these are the costs. Those are automatically increasing, right? And also another factor includes inefficiency in the organizations of the FinOps practices, right? Because if we are not following FinOps practices, that means we are not aligned with the costs as well as budgets, and we are not doing appropriate cost-driven anomalies as well as organizational optimization, the cloud spending, right? And we are also not maintaining the budgets and transparency across the organization, which is really important to do that. And then we get the visibility, how much we are spending, how much we should allocate, and who should be responsible for each different resources, right? And there are some examples, or there are some cost driven anomalies that I'm going to tell you, which includes, let's say, for example, we have an organization which includes or which has a cloud based application, right? And they are using cloud computing services, and those services are using cloud resources in order to provision particular applications and provide services across the organization, right? And those are used by the company as well as external and internal users, right? And this is going to be increasing the cost when there is a lot of traffic coming in from different occasions, maybe a particular business day. It could be between Monday to Friday, or it could be on the weekends, or it could be any specific duration when there is a lot of traffic coming in and the resources are being highly utilized, right? And those resources are being accepted, and those are those are using a lot of resources, and that is why the cost is increasing, right? So it incurs the higher server cost and computing powers and everything together, right? And that is why this is going to be something costly when we are not allocating specific budgets or allocating specific costs to the resources, and we are not aligning the resource level costing and everything. And to identify and addressing such cost driven anomalies, we need to we need to make sure we are avoiding wasteful spending, as well as make the right set of adjustments, and then we have to work on the cloud strategies as well. So to implement those, we should also follow the FinOps best practices, so that we know whatever we are spending, whatever we are going to allocate, how much we are going to spend on different things, whether it is a business day or non-business day or whatever it is, right? So basis on that, we can decide how much we are going to allocate, and it is going to really give us capability to understand as well as decide how much we should allocate, and then basis on that, we can get the visibility to identify and address such issues. And those are specifically for cost driven anomalies like these, when there is a spike of usage cloud resources, and if the spike goes away, or maybe the usage was reduced on the normal days, then the cost is going to be different, right? So we should have to be open for such situations and scenarios as well, in order to make sure we are only spending whatever is needed, as well as if in case there is a really need, then definitely we should have appropriate budgets allocated to it, appropriate setups, as well as we should have uh, alerting and costing and everything together set up in order to get that visibility and see whatever is expected, whatever is not expected, and then we can have a control and look and see the complete uh, costing and visibility across the maybe business or cloud or maybe different resources that we have spin up within the cloud environment. So yeah, that was the cloud or cost driven anomalies, and that is a part of anomaly management how we can do. And that is also very important part of FinOps best practices or FinOps practices of cloud spending, right? So yeah, that's all for this video. I hope you will like it, and please do like, share and subscribe. And yeah, thanks for watching. Bye for now.